right, y'all, for the final day of my July series where I cook and try other food content creators' recipes, we're going out with a bang. We've got Teeny's macaroni and cheese. Let me show you how she makes it. All right, so Teeny starts by boiling 1 pound of cavatappi noodles. While the pasta is cooking, we're gonna start shredding our cheese. She does 1 pound of Colby Jack, 1 pound of mozzarella, 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. Highly suggest getting one of these cheese graters if you're a cheeseaholic like me. Now we're gonna start on the roux. 3 tablespoons of butter. And then she adds some seasoning. She does smoked paprika, salt, garlic powder, black pepper. Let these seasonings kind of stick to that butter before we add some flour in there. Butter is nice and melted. I'll add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Take a whisk, and we're gonna cook down all of this flour. Don't rush through this part. Give it time to cook down. All right, and then Teeny slowly starts to add in some evaporated milk. Do not pour all of this in at one time. You're gonna whisk this in with that roux. Stir, add a little bit, stir on low heat. All right, so I use a whole can. This is heavy whipping cream. Slowly add that in as well. We're gonna start adding the cheese. A handful at a time, sprinkle it in, stir. So cheese, stir, heavy whipping cream, stir. Look at this sauce. Oh my goodness. A bit of Dijon mustard. Just stir that in with this cheese sauce. Now add those cavatappi noodles. Ah. All right, we're just gonna fold all of this cheese into these noodles. Look at this. Grab you a baking dish. This is 9x13 Pyrex. And half of this. More of our cheese. Spread this out with some more cheese. All right, y'all. I'm gonna cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes and I'll see you when it's ready. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is ready. She tops hers with a little bit of green onion, so that's what I'm gonna do. Guys, I've never seen a more beautiful mac and cheese. That crust. Oh my gosh. If you know me, you know I could eat macaroni and cheese every single day. This is easily like top 3 best mac and cheeses ever. I'm shooketh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh. And this recipe was a perfect one to end my July series.